everyone, and welcome to the Weekly Stitch. I'm Nicole, and I'm coming to you from gray and still hot South Texas. Let's get right down to it. I finished a fun thing this Tuesday at my sewing club. I didn't get as far as I hoped. I hoped to finish a whole nother matching set. That did not happen due to some difficulties that I will explain in a moment. But I did finish this super cute pencil skirt, another just pencil skirt based on my basic skirt sloper. Now finish is a generous term because I just realized I still need to do the hook and eye, but I'm really excited about this. This is a upholstery weight canvas that was left over from a similar skirt that my aunt actually commissioned me to make her, and I had some left over, so I of course had to make some for myself. I did a big pocket on the front, and I was able to match the pocket up with the gingham, so that was cute and fun. And I was making another matching set that I talked about a couple weeks ago with this Isabella Tank because I was able to squeak out enough for some of the, some of the top, but I had to color block it with this black, I forget what this is called. This is left over from a school project. That's how long I've had it in my stash. It's like a gabardine, and I think it's a wool, and I was a little nervous about that because it's a summery top, but it's actually like a very light, smooth wool. But I did something dumb. I cut this pattern piece for the top, as you can see, is like ridiculously small because I had, let's see if I can show you. I had this piece folded back when I was cutting, and I guess I just didn't notice. So this whole top piece of the strap was missing. So I couldn't get as far as I wanted to because I didn't bring the extra fabric with me to my sewing night, which I almost, when I left, was like, oh, I should grab that extra fabric just in case, and then I didn't, and then I didn't get to go as far as I wanted. Poor me. So the facing was correct, so I was able to partially get the facing on. And I have to get this back, recut this, sew it to the front, and then figure out what's going on with all these pieces and put it all back together. So that is what is currently on my cutting table in my personal sewing life. But this project actually gave me an idea that I need to do a tutorial for you guys on color blocking and how to create color blocking in a pattern that is not drafted that way. So like if you have a pattern like this top and you want to color block with it, how to edit that to make it color blockable. That's a word, I just made it up. Yeah, so this is going to be super cute when it's done. I have some fun stuff that I'm adding to this top that I'm not going to show you yet. So I don't think I'll be able to get to this by the time I'm chatting with you guys next week, but that is what's on my personal cutting table. Because I have some selfless sewing that I need to focus on for my husband. It's his birthday on Saturday. Now, I won't finish this by Saturday, obviously, but I am copying these jeans for him. These are Levi jeans that he likes. I offered to make him something for his birthday. He chose another pair of jeans. I have made him the Thread Theory Jedediah pants that I made into jeans, but they and he loves them and they fit great, but they're not 100%. And at first we were talking about like what edits I could do to the Jedediah to make them jeans to make them better for him. But he was like, well, can you just copy these jeans? I really love them. They fit perfect. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a pattern out of these jeans that I'll be able to use year after year, which is kind of funny because I'm copying a bunch of jeans for a client right now. So just copying jeans all over the place in the studio at the moment. So that is what I'm setting this aside. I need to work on this so that his birthday present is not too belated. I'll probably do something. I'll obviously do something for him the day of his birthday. We already planned to go out to eat. I'm going to make him some kind of dessert. So that is what's going on and that September, someone is hosting like Selfless Sewing September or something. So that works out for this. New pattern is underway. I made a sample this week. It fits amazing. I love it. It's so cute. I did some dumb things when I was sewing it that I have to go back and fix, but I am ready to move on with the instructions and get those going. So my goal for September is to finish the tiling and instructions for that pattern so that maybe I can test in October and then release in November along with the extended size range of the Patty Pocket Skirt, which is in testing right now and going great. Lots of fun stuff. That's a big goal, but I think I can handle it. We will see. Sometimes the instructions honestly take the longest, probably. It's just very daunting and all the illustrations and stuff, but I think I will be able to do it if I just hunker down and get it done. So that's what's going on in the pattern area of my business. I have a little bit of tailoring to do. I mentioned before I have some jeans that I need to copy and make a pattern of for a client, and then I also have some jeans repairs to do for a client, just fixing some buttonholes and doing some invisible mending on a hole in the crotch, which I used the tutorial that Indigo Proof did on the Closet Case Patterns blog, so I'll be sure to link that below. It's super helpful in teaching you how to make sort of an almost invisible repair if you don't have a super fancy darning machine on some denim. So, and I will be using my handy dandy denim thread. This is dual duty. I get this at Walmart, you guys, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's really cool because there's multiple different colored fibers woven into this thread, so it's kind of multicolor and it blends in with most denim pretty well. So normally when you're doing this repair, you would maybe want to pick a couple different colors of thread to go over to sort of mimic the wash of a denim, but this thread almost prevents you from doing that on a classic colored pair of denim. So very cool there, and that's that. Not a lot to chat with you guys about this week. We had a long weekend, sort of. That was this weekend, right? Yeah, that's why I didn't do a video for you guys last week, okay, so I didn't do a video for you guys last week because we had that long weekend, and taking a day away from my week just makes me unable to function, I guess. So I wasn't able to get a video up for you guys, but we did have a very nice Labor Day weekend here. We had to do some work, but we also did a lot of relaxing. Did some relaxing this past weekend, tried a new restaurant in the area. Just chilled at the house yesterday. There's been some allergies and I am just not feeling it, y'all. So that is everything that is going on here in the studio this week. I want to tell you about my weekly crush, which is my new lipstick. It's not what I'm wearing right now, funnily enough, but I got this on my trip to LA last month. No, all the way back in June, but I've been crushing on it so hard. This is NYX matte lipstick in suede matte lipstick, and the color is Stockholm, and it's this really cute like peachy nude, which I've been wanting a lighter than this peachy nude, but I ended up getting this because I didn't have anything like it, and I also really liked it, and it was matte, which I like. Smells really good. They don't test on animals and are a cruelty-free brand. So yeah, I've been wearing this like daily. I like it because it's like a nude, but not like, it's like a little something extra, but it's not like so bold as a bright red lip, which I love, love, love. So that is what is going on with me here in the studio. I have a couple appointments this week. I'm doing the local high school band. I'm doing hems on all of their pants, so I'll be busy with that in the next couple weeks. I have to go up there on Wednesday to fit everybody, which is going to be a little bit crazy, I think, but wish me luck on that. And then, of course, we're going out for my husband's birthday on Saturday with some friends in Austin, and I can't wait. I hope you're all having a great week. Let me know in the comments below what you are working on this week. Since I don't get to finish my fun projects, I can live vicariously through you. And I will see you guys next week for the weekly stitch. Bye-bye. The facing was correct. I cut that.